Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video we are going to learn 30 advanced phrases जो कि डे टू डे कॉन्वर्जेशन में आपके बहुत ही काम आने वाले हैं. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. Harp on. Harp on means बार बार एक ही बात को दोहराना. To talk repeatedly or continuously about something. For example, don't harp on the same issue in every meeting. He harps on his achievements too much. She always harps on how no one helps her. Don't harp on your problems, start working on them. Make do without. It means किसी चीज़ के बिना काम चलाना या गुजारा करना. To manage or survive without something that you usually have or need. For example, we had to make do without electricity during the storm. I forgot my umbrella, so I had to make do without it in the rain. She couldn't afford a laptop, so she made do without one. I left my charger at home, so I had to make do without my phone all day. Refrain from. रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम का मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ को करने से खुद को रोकना या परहेज करना. टू स्टॉप योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम डूइंग समथिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम ईटिंग स्वीट्स ड्यूरिंग हर डाइट. वी शुड रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम यूजिंग ऑफेंसिव लैंग्वेज. प्लीज रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम यूजिंग योर फोन ड्यूरिंग द मीटिंग. वी मस्ट रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम वेस्टिंग टाइम ऑन सोशल मीडिया. अपीयर टू. अपीयर टू मीन्स कुछ लगना. कई बार हम ऐसा कहते हैं ना कि लगता है बारिश होने वाली है. हाउएवर वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट अपीयर्स टू बी रेनिंग आउटसाइड. दे अपीयर टू बी हैप्पी विद द डिसीजन. कंसीडर टू बी. कंसीडर टू बी मीन्स माना जाता है या समझा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस टेम्पल इज कंसीडर्ड टू बी वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट इन द कंट्री. English is considered to be an international language. Bound to. Bound to means कुछ करने के लिए बाध्य होना. It is used when something is almost certain to happen. For example, she is bound to succeed if she keeps working hard. It is bound to rain if those dark clouds stay. Pretend to. Pretend to means नाटक करना या झूठ मूठ दिखावा करना. For example, she pretended to be sick to skip school. It means उसने स्कूल स्किप करने के लिए बीमार होने का नाटक किया. She pretended to be asleep when her mom came in. Don't pretend to be someone you are not. Manage to. Manage to means किसी मुश्किल काम को कर पाने में सफल होना. It is used to express that someone succeeded in doing something difficult or unexpected. For example, she managed to catch the train at the last minute. I managed to finish the project on time. Yearn for. Yearn for means किसी चीज़ की बहुत गहरी इच्छा होना. To deeply desire or strongly long for something. For example, the old man yearned for his childhood days. She yearned for her mother's love. By the time. By the time means जब तक. By the time I reached the station, the train had left. It means जब तक मैं स्टेशन पहुंची, ट्रेन जा चुकी थी. By the time we get there, the movie will have started. By the time she came, we had already finished dinner. By the time the doctor arrived, the patient had fainted. By the time we got to the party, most guests had left. Resort to. Resort to means किसी अंतिम या मजबूरी वाले उपाय का सहारा लेना, खासकर तब जब कोई और विकल्प ना हो. To do something unpleasant or extreme because there is no other better option available. For example, some people resort to stealing when they are extremely poor. When the medicine didn't work, he resorted to home remedies. She didn't want to resort to lying, but she had no choice. Accustomed to. Accustomed to means किसी चीज़ का आदी होना या किसी चीज़ की आदत लग जाना. To be familiar with something or to get used to it over time. For example, बच्चे ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई के आदी हो गए हैं. Children have become accustomed to online learning. कुछ समय लगेगा लेकिन तुम भी इसकी आदत डाल लोगे. It will take some time but you will also get accustomed to it. वह देर रात तक जागने का आदी है. He is accustomed to staying up late. Looking forward to. Looking forward to का मतलब होता है किसी आने वाली चीज़ के लिए बेसब्री से इंतज़ार करना. To feel excited or happy about something that is going to happen in the future. For example, she is looking forward to meet you. We are looking forward to the party tonight. They are looking forward to their trip to Goa. She is looking forward to her results. Are you looking forward to your birthday? Tend to. Tend to means आमतौर पर कुछ करना या किसी आदत की ओर झुकाव होना. It means usually behave in a particular way or have a habit of doing something. It shows a general or repeated behavior. For example, he tends to get nervous before exams. Children tend to copy what they see. He tends to speak very fast. People tend to trust familiar brands. People tend to avoid difficult conversations.